very quick video of the simple cycler, just so you get an idea of what you need to do when you get it to utilise it. So that's the main box, the unit that can go wherever you like. The discharge load is on the end of a wire. This gets very hot and is also connected to the high voltage, so you need to mount that somewhere carefully. You can just stand it on top of the box if you want to. That should be okay there. 13-amp plug, main connection wires to the battery pack. You probably all know where these go. Positive goes on the bottom side of the main relay, and negative goes on this side of the battery pack there. So that's the positive and the negative connected. Obviously you only do that when the battery pack's off. I've got the fan connector, and that just plugs into the fan port there. I strongly recommend cycling the pack on the bench, but if you want to try it in the car, you're welcome to have a go at that. So now we've connected it all up, turn on the power, turn on the battery, plug the cycler in, the splash screen, and then the cycle display. Just excuse the sun's quite bright. So it's just got one button to control it. So the modes, it starts off in mode 0, and you can see on the bottom line we've got 159 volts, just tells you the battery volts. It won't allow you to turn the cycler on or to select any of the modes if the battery's not connected and it can't detect the voltage. So if I want to select just a charge cycle, select mode 1, release the switch, and the cycler activates and the charger is now operating, and that will operate for up to a maximum of 24 hours. If the voltage reaches above the critical point, it will turn off, or it will continue to run for 24 hours, and then it will go back to mode 0. Cancel that. If you just want to discharge the pack down to 100 volts, select mode 2. Again, that will run for a maximum of 24 hours, and then turn itself off, or if the battery falls to below 100 volts before that. Again, to cancel that, just press the button. If you want to run a 2-stage charge and discharge cycle, then you need to select mode 2. Try mode 3. Mode 3, and what that's going to do now, it's going to charge first of all, then it's going to discharge, then it's going to charge again, then it's going to discharge again, and finally it's going to charge again. That's going to take several days, and it discharges to 100 volts the first time and 75 volts the second time. So I would try that first and see what improvement you get. Cancel that, again press the button, and finally for the ultimate charge and discharging, mode 4, that does 3 cycles, discharging to 100, 75 and then 50 volts, and that's basically it. Hopefully that will give you an idea of how to utilise it. Please report back and let us know how you get on.